If you're over 55 and you're struggling with walking more than you used to, maybe you don't feel as strong walking upstairs, or you can't go as far as you used to, maybe your legs feel extra little bit tired, then I want to share with you 3 of my favorite exercises that I use with my clients at my over 40 gym here in New Zealand. If you haven't met yet, I'm Gavin. I co New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40, and walking strength is something that we work on all the time. So I'm taking the exercise outside today. It's been a nice cool day. I'm going to show you these 3 exercises right now. Now team, if you're looking for a full strength workout, maybe your whole body is feeling a little bit weaker than you used to, I've got a free guide that you can have absolutely free. That just uses a simple set of dumbbells that you can do at home. All you need to do is comment strength down below to get access to that guide. So the first exercise we're going to look at, we're going to talk about what does walking look like. Well, walking uses a couple of muscles. It uses your quads, your glutes, and your calves. And you can use a simple chair to work those muscles without having to go to a gym or lifting really heavy weights, all right? So the first exercise that we're going to do, we're going to use a chair, a plastic chair I've got. You use a sturdy chair, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to sit on an angle of the chair, and you can see that my legs are slightly bent this way. I've got one foot flat on the floor, and my knee is just over the ankle and midfoot, and this back leg here is bent, okay? And what I want you to do is kind of a lunge, and we're going to load up the quad and the glutes all at the same time. I want you to lean forward a little bit. I want you to use both legs and stand up as fast as you can, and slowly lower it back down to the chair. You're going to lean forward and explode up. Slowly lower it back down. I'll do one more time for you. Up and back down. And the thing of it is, walking pace will slow down because you lack power in your muscles. And when you accelerate on the up portion, this bit, it makes your muscles fire all at the same time to give you that extra power. And when you slowly lower it back down, you're working on the really strength component, and you're hitting all the aspects of the muscle that you need to help you with your walking. Now, if you find this is a little bit too hard though, and you can't quite get up off the chair, you could find a higher chair or stack some stuff on there to do it. But I'm going to turn the chair around and give you a slightly different option. Again, you're going to use the back of a chair, make sure it's nice and sturdy, okay? And you're going to have that staggered stance again. You're going to put your weight on the chair, and you're going to slowly lower yourself down, bend your knees, and use your hands to help you, and explode back up. Slowly lower it back down, take some of the load with your arms, and push straight back up. You're going to do 12 to 15 reps on each side. And if you can't do that many, do 5, do 6, do 4, like do whatever you can, and over time build up those exercises. That takes care of our quads, a little bit of our glutes, and a bit of balance. The next exercise we're going to work on is a little bit more of your hamstrings, okay? And it is a modification of, I guess, a big Romanian deadlift with some weights. We're going to do it in a much more controlled fashion. I want you to lean forward, and I want you to put your elbows on your knees this way. Bring your feet closer to the chair, and all you're going to do, you're going to lift up your bum, up. Slowly lower it back down. You're going to feel the hamstrings start to work. Up. Work on the quads as well. Up. Slowly lower it back down. Up. And slowly lower it back down. Again, 12 to 15 reps. And the last exercise that we're going to play with is just your calf strength. Your calves are so important. These are like the second hearts of the body, and you need to be working your calves. Again, sturdy chair, okay? And what you're going to do, you're just going to explode up, or fast up, and slowly lower it back down. Touch, up fast, and slowly lower it back down. Up fast, and slowly lower it back down. Again, 12 to 15 reps. Now, if you made it this long, let me know your thoughts. Really try these exercises out, and if you do them for 5, 6, 8, 10 weeks, you're going to get significantly stronger legs, and you're going to be much more confident out walking when it comes to tackling hills, walking a little bit further. But the other thing as well though, the good thing is to practice walking. To get better at something is to practice the thing you want to get good at. So by all means, go for those walks, push yourself a little bit, get those cardio in, use some stairs and steps if you need to and you feel confident, and your walking strength will really improve much faster than you think. So let me know in the comments, what was your favorite exercise? Which one are you going to try? If you enjoyed the video, please let me know so I can make more of this kind of content for you. Just remember, if you want a full strength guide, comment strength down below and I will send that over to you absolutely free. I'm going to leave a video in the top corner which I think you're going to like, so head over to that video and I'll see you very shortly.